Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, I will show you how to delete a Grok account. In today's digital world, managing online accounts can sometimes feel overwhelming. Perhaps you've decided to switch to a different service, or maybe you're just looking for a fresh start and want to clean up your digital footprint. Whatever your reason, if you're looking to delete your Grok account, you've come to the right place. This tutorial will guide you through the process, step by step, making it as simple and stress-free as possible. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you feel comfortable with. Once your browser is open, head over to the Google search engine. In the search bar, type in Grok and press enter. This action will bring up a list of search results related to Grok. What you're specifically looking for is the official Grok website. It's important to ensure you're on the official site to avoid any potential security risks. Once you identify the correct link, click on it to be directed to the Grok homepage. Now that you're on the Grok homepage, pay attention to the lower left corner of your screen. Here, you will find your profile icon, which is your gateway to account settings. Click on this icon, and a list of options will appear. From this menu, select Settings. Entering the Settings page is a crucial step, as this is where you'll find all the necessary options to manage your account. Once you're in the Settings area, look for the section labeled Data Controls. This section is fundamental for managing your personal data and privacy settings. Click on Data Controls to proceed. On this page, you'll notice various options, including settings for data privacy, account preferences, and more. To find the option related to account deletion, you'll need to scroll down the page. As you scroll, keep an eye out for the option that says Delete Account. Next to this option, there will be a button marked Delete that you can click. This button is crucial as it initiates the account deletion process. A quick word of caution here. Once you start this process, you have a safeguard period. You can recover your account within 30 days if you change your mind or if you accidentally initiated the deletion. After the 30-day period, however, the deletion becomes permanent. Therefore, it's essential to ensure you're ready to part with your account and any associated data. If you have any backups or important information stored within the account, make sure to retrieve them before proceeding with the deletion. By following these steps, you can confidently and securely delete your Grok account. While it's a straightforward process, always double-check that you're fully prepared before moving forward with the account removal request. Remember, saying goodbye to your account also means losing any data tied to it, so take the time to save anything you might need in the future. And that wraps it up. If how to delete a Grok account feels easier now, subscribe to our channel PMN Online because plenty more guides are on the way.